Stop scrolling. I'm going to talk about something men rarely talk about, something that ruins your sleep, destroys your confidence, and makes you feel like you're constantly tethered to the bathroom. I'm talking about prostate issues. If you're over 40, you know the drill. Waking up 3, 4, 5 times a night, the embarrassing urgency, the weak flow. I was there. I tried the teas, the pharmacy pills, the old remedies. Nothing worked. My sleep was a disaster, and frankly, my life felt restricted. But then I discovered Prostavive. It promised a radical, natural shift in prostate health and overall male vitality. After using it for 60 days, I have a clear answer. This is the breakthrough we've been waiting for. Stick with me, because I'm going to explain exactly what Prostavive is, how it works at the root cause, and why it's the only solution you should consider. We often treat the symptoms. We learn where every bathroom is, we stop drinking water after 6 p.m., and we accept sleepless nights. But those symptoms, the urgency, the discomfort, are screaming that something deeper is wrong. The root cause for most men over a certain age isn't just getting old. It's a vicious cycle involving inflammation and a hormone called DHT. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, builds up, causing the prostate to swell. That swelling squeezes the urethra and presses on your bladder. It's a physiological choke point that ruins your quality of life. The mainstream approach often uses synthetic chemicals that put a Band-Aid on the symptoms, but they rarely address the underlying hormonal imbalance or the persistent inflammation. You deserve better than a temporary fix. You deserve a solution that restores your system naturally. So, what exactly is Prostavive? It is a 100% natural dietary supplement formulated to target those deep root causes. This is not a synthetic drug. This is a potent blend of clinically backed plant extracts and essential nutrients, manufactured right here in the USA in an FDA-approved GMP-certified facility. Purity and potency are guaranteed. The true genius of Prostavive is its multi-action formula. It works on 4 key pillars that conventional solutions ignore. Hormone balance, directly addressing the dangerous DHT buildup. Inflammation control, soothing the swollen prostate to relieve pressure. Blood flow and circulation, ensuring essential nutrients reach the prostate tissue. Male vitality, boosting energy and confidence, which naturally declines with poor sleep and prostate stress. Let's look under the hood at the ingredients that make this formula so powerful. First, you have the staples: saw palmetto and Beta-Sitosterol. We know these work to manage DHT and support urinary flow, but Prostavive supercharges this foundation with key additions that truly differentiate it. Ingredients like zinc, pygeum bark, and pumpkin seed oil are essential. Deficiency in zinc is directly linked to prostate issues, while pygeum bark and pumpkin seed oil help soothe and shrink an inflamed prostate, improving comfort and reducing pressure on the bladder. Crucially, Prostavive includes a powerful vitality blend featuring ingredients like maca root and Panax ginseng. Reviews consistently highlight that Prostavive doesn't just fix the toilet problem, it brings back a surge of energy, libido, and confidence by supporting healthy blood flow and overall vitality. No more waking up tired. You'll wake up feeling recharged and ready to go. By combining well-studied botanicals like nettle root and for smoother urinary flow with these potent vitality boosters, Prostavive offers a holistic solution. As one customer review put it, "I stopped waking up at 3 a.m., and suddenly, I felt like I was 20 years younger." This isn't just theory. The user results are undeniable. Thousands of men are reporting a complete transformation. Nighttime peace. Most users see their nightly bathroom trips drop from 3 to 4 down to 0, or just 1, leading to deep, restorative sleep. Strong, steady flow. The dribbling and hesitancy disappear, replaced by a confident, smooth, and strong urine stream. Renewed energy. Because the root cause of inflammation is addressed and sleep is restored, men report feeling more focused, energetic, and confident in all aspects of their lives, from the office to the bedroom. In short, Prostavive restores your peace of mind and your quality of life. It's about not having to worry about where the nearest restroom is anymore. It's about feeling like you've taken back control. Look, if you are tired of the constant cycle of discomfort, sleepless nights, and relying on temporary fixes, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Prostavive is safe, natural, and backed by clinical research on its ingredients. It is not available on Amazon or eBay. To ensure you get the genuine formula, the best pricing, and the full consumer protection, you must order from the official website. The creators are so confident that they offer a robust 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. You have 2 full months to try Prostavive. See the changes in your sleep, your flow, and your energy. If you're not thrilled, you get every penny back. I've placed the direct link to the official Prostavive website in the description below this video. Don't wait until the next restless night. Click that link, secure your supply, and start your journey to a happier, healthier, and more confident life today. Click the link now and let me know in the comments what difference Prostavive makes for you.